So for this class, we'll be learning about population survivorship. We will discover patterns of survivalship relating to 3 types of survivorship curves. We will learn patterns of survivorship related to life expectancy, and we'll learn how to use Excel to analyze population data. In ecology, we have something called an ecological maximum, so no population can increase in size forever. There's always going to be a downfall in population or there will plateau. Resources are finite, and organisms experience mortality. Rates of mortality differ from various life stages, from development to birth to death. We will start with survivorship type 1 curve. The type 1 curve is the red curve you see on the slide. It has the most individuals later in life. They typically have high survivorship in their juveniles, and they're just longer-lived large mammals. They have few offspring. They're called the K-selected species. And more animals of this type is like elephants, things that only give birth to one juvenile that usually live and they go all the way to death. And then we're going to skip down to type 3, which is the green curve on the bottom. They typically produce lots and lots and lots of juveniles, lots of offspring, and they quickly die off. It's usually in invertebrates or like weedy plant species, and this is called the R-selected species. And then you have type 2, where morality is consistent along the entire life. So this is the orange line in the middle. It's typically bird species or lizard species, and animals have like few offspring and have parental care, but still have more offspring than the type 1 selected species.